Have you worried about exposure on your hands with a UV LED light? Well, in this video, I will be showing the perfect light that prevents less exposure, as well as some really beautiful cat's eye polishes. If this is something you're interested in, then check this video out. In the top right hand corner, you can see an in-depth video of the UV LED lamp that I have in front of me. It's worth checking out. And I will also be using it on my client today after I share the cat's eye polishes. This is the first one. These MelodySusie polishes are called Jewel Iver, and it's a series of cat's eye polishes. And I love their packaging always. And on the packaging on these polishes, of course, they've got the ingredients, which is always good if you're wondering what these polishes are made of. So I'm just going to grab a scissor and we're going to open it up, and then I'll swatch the 3 polishes quickly. And then when I'm done swatching, I will be doing a set of nails on my client, and I will also be using that lamp in my video, so you'll see that in use and how good it is, because it really is worth purchasing. I think I am going to get another one because I like it that much, so I want 2 on my desk. So as you can see, I love their packaging, like I said before. The nice thing about these polishes, they come with a magnet, and you'll find it behind the packaging inside the box. So this one is called a C38. And I will do 2 coats. I will just do 1 coat. I won't use a magnet. And then I'll do the second coat after I cure the first one for 30 seconds. And then I'll use the magnet on the second coat. These are absolutely beautiful. You'll see that as I swatch them. So there is the first coat. How pretty, just like that. Now it'll cure it for 30 seconds, and I'll do that second one, and then we'll grab the magnet. So the magnets they put in the box, they're really strong. So I do like that about them. So I do use them quite frequently because they are so strong. But look at how pretty that is when I pull those magnetic particles. Just a beautiful, more neutral cat's eye polish, this one. So the next one, the boxes are sticking together because of the magnets. This one you can see is a pretty purple. So again, it had the magnet behind the packaging. And this one is number C16. These are perfect for spring and summer, these colors. So there it is. So I'm just going to grab the swatch stick, and I should let you know I will have the links for everything I shared in this video again down in the description so you can find it easily. And if you're wanting to purchase the lamp or the polishes, click the link directly to get to the lamp and the polishes, because I will not receive a commission if you just go to their site and find them. It really helps my channel, so I really appreciate that. I also have a coupon code, and that'll be down below as well. So now just finishing off the second coat, I'll just grab the magnet. I really like this purple. Probably this or the pink that I'm going to show next is my favorite of the 3. Just perfect spring colors or cat's eye polishes. Wow, look at how beautiful that is. So this will cure for 30 seconds. So I'm just going to show you the last polish they sent me. And this one is a beautiful pink. And there's the magnet again. And this one is number C47. Wait till you guys see this one. It's just beautiful. Oh, and I should tell you too, these are 5 fluid ounces. I love pink, and this is like the perfect pink cat's eye polish. So I'll just grab my swatch stick and do those 2 coats and use the magnet on this one as well. Look at how pretty that is. Just 1 coat, and I'll cure that for 30 seconds. So doing that second coat. That would be great if you guys would let me know which is your favorite down in the comments. Comments do help my videos for getting views, and I really appreciate if you leave some type of comment if either you liked the video or what polish you liked or what you'd like me to do next for a video, anything like that. It really helps. So thanks for doing that for me. So look at this one. It is beautiful, as you can see. So I'm going to show you them all together. They are really, really stunning. And now I'm going to start working on a client and using the UV LED lamp so you can get a better idea of how good it works. For this set of nails, we're going to start with C47, the really beautiful pink that I shared with you. And I'm going to do 2 coats. So I do 1 coat, and then of course I'm going to cure it for 30 seconds. And then I will be doing that second coat and using the magnet. So you will see throughout me sharing using the UV LED light, you can see it on my desk and how compact and how easy it is to use. She found it very easy. We loved it. You will see every time or most of the time when I'm curing, I will split to that screen to show you her curing her nails and how quick and easy it is for her to put her hands in. So now you can see me using the magnet on that second coat. Look at how beautiful that is. And the thing with this light, I explained in the video where I reviewed it, you just have to put your thumb in and that activates it. And that's what she did. It was just easier than me clicking the button each time, just putting that thumb in, and then it turns the light on for all of the fingers, and you're not getting as much exposure for the light, which is really nice. So now I'm working on another nail, and we're just going to do the tip of this one. I applied 1 coat, and now I'm applying a second coat, and I'll grab the magnet again to activate those magnetic particles. It really is the most beautiful polish, and when you use the magnet, it's just stunning. And I do show you her putting it in the UV LED light right away, because when you use a cat's eye polish, you want to cure it so the particles don't move on you until you do the next one. On the next nail, I'm doing a full color of the C47, of course, 2 coats, and curing each coat. And then the second coat, I use the magnet. And make sure you keep watching because I'm going to do a lot of art on these nails. I'm going to be doing some isolated chrome and stamping. So worth watching. It turns out so nice. You'll see that. But so curing this one and then going in to the light, of course, to do that, and then showing you the second coat here right away. You can never get enough of the cat's eye polish. Using the magnet is so pretty when you move those magnetic particles around. So it's going to go in the light again. And I will show you the thumb, but I'm only going to show you the second coat because you've seen the polish enough now. But I had to show it. It's beautiful on the thumb as well. So while I finish the thumb, I'm going to talk about the nail that has no polish yet. So we wanted a white, but we didn't really want a bright white. We wanted more of a sheer white. And for MelodySusie polishes, I do not have a sheer type white. So I made one from the MelodySusie polish I have. So I used Snow White and I mixed it with a MelodySusie top coat. I didn't show it when I was doing the video to get a sheer white, and it turned out perfect. So if you don't have one, you can always do that. We just felt the white would be just too bright, so we needed that sheer one. And I'm going to be adding it now with a brush, and you can see it ended up being very sheer, so it worked out perfect. And I will do 2 coats on this one. And of course, cure each coat for 30 seconds. So it looks perfect. So we're going to cure that for 30 seconds and then we're going to start the art. So make sure you watch from here on in. It's the part I feel is always the best. So taking C47, the same pink, and I'm going to do kind of a random in the middle, kind of oval shape, but not perfect oval shape. I'll do 2 coats. I'll do 1 coat, cure it for the 30 seconds, and then I'll do the second coat. And I want to bring out those magnetic particles, so I'll use the magnet on it. And it really stands out so nice on this white or sheer white nail. And I will be doing more art on this nail once I do those 2 coats, so we'll do that after. So now I'm just going to cure this nail and then we're going to be doing some isolated chrome. So I need to grab a matte top coat so the chrome won't stick to the whole nail. So doing that on all of the nails that will get the isolated chrome and it'll cure for 60 seconds. So while the matte top coat is curing, I have to grab a no white black polish because that's the only thing that's going to work for chrome. So I added it to a palette. Now I'm taking a liner brush. I think this one is actually from MelodySusie that I'm using. And I'm going to draw the designs I want. And you want to draw them all at once. So every nail that's going to have isolated chrome, I'll do the design and then it will cure for just 30 seconds once I'm done them all. And now I'm going around that really pretty oval shape and making it not perfect, of course. I'm just going to follow the uneven lines around. And then when I have this one done, I have one more nail to do some isolated chrome on, and then we'll cure it and apply that chrome powder I'll be using today. So the isolated chrome art is done. 30 seconds, it will cure. And I'm grabbing chrome powder. And if you want to know the chrome powder I used today, just let me know in the comments and I will give you the link and my coupon code. So just mainly rubbing it into the black. That's all you need to do. And once I have it rubbed in, I'll grab a really soft brush to remove any excess chrome that may be on the nail still. And I still have art to do on one more nail, so make sure you keep watching again. It's something completely different than what I've done with the isolated chrome. So I have a stamping plate and a bunch of roses, and I thought it would look so pretty stamping a rose. So I'm using a black stamping polish, obviously, and I'm going to stamp that rose right in the middle of this nail. And I am going to do some isolated chrome again. That's why I did put the matte top coat over this one, and there it is. Now I'm just going to take the same chrome and rub it into the stamp. You can do that as well instead of just drawing. It doesn't kind of cover it quite as much, but you still see the gold. It is so stunning when it is done. And actually, it really pops on the nail this way. So it worked out perfect. And of course, I'm going to be using a shiny top coat on these nails. And I think I do share top coating with my thicker top coat on a couple of them, and it'll bring out the shiny beautifulness of that cat's eye polish. And I will still show you curing these two nails that I do the top coat on, and then I will show you the finished design after curing the top coat for 60 seconds. It is so stunning when it's done. I love this set so much. So I'll just let you watch me doing the top coat on these two, and then I'll be back when we're almost done. Just finishing up the last nail, and then we're gonna cure it. I love, love, love the UV LED light. It was so easy for my client to use, and the fact that she's not getting as many UV rays, she really liked that about it, and so did I. Definitely, I'm thinking about purchasing another one because it doesn't take up much room on my desk. So here are the finished nails. I absolutely think they're stunning. What do you guys think? And I want to thank MelodySusie for sponsoring this video and sending me the polishes and the UV LED light to share with you. I want to thank everybody for watching. And if you like the video, could you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel? And if you could give me a comment down in the comments of this video, it helps my channel a lot. Really appreciate that. And I will see everyone in the next one.